Ever pondered the art of crafting the perfect vegetarian sauce? A sauce so rich and flavorful, it can elevate any meal from ordinary to extraordinary? Today, delve into the secrets behind making this culinary delight. The ingredients needed are simple and straightforward. Gather fresh tomatoes, around 10 to 12 medium-sized ones, a couple of red bell peppers, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 large onion, a handful of fresh basil leaves, a dash of white wine, some olive oil, salt, and pepper. Begin by roasting the tomatoes and red bell peppers. Drizzle them with a bit of olive oil, sprinkle some salt and pepper, and place them in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius. Leave them be for about 25 minutes or until their skins start to char. This process enhances their natural sweetness and gives the sauce a wonderful smoky flavor. While the tomatoes and peppers are roasting, turn attention to the garlic and onion. Chop the onion finely and mince the garlic. Heat a generous swirl of olive oil in a large saucepan, then toss in the onion and garlic. Sauté them until they turn golden brown, releasing a mouth-watering aroma. Retrieve the roasted tomatoes and peppers from the oven, peel off their skins, and add them to the saucepan. Stir everything well, allowing the flavors to meld together. Pour in a dash of white wine and let it simmer, reducing the wine and intensifying the flavors. Finally, add in the fresh basil leaves, torn into small pieces. Stir the sauce one last time and then blend everything together until smooth. If the sauce seems too thick, add a bit of vegetable stock to reach the desired consistency. Season with more salt and pepper as needed, and voila! The perfect vegetarian sauce is ready. It's a versatile sauce that can be used in pasta, lasagna, or as a base for pizza. To summarize, the creation of this sauce involves roasting tomatoes and red bell peppers, sautéing garlic and onion, combining these ingredients in a saucepan with a dash of white wine, adding fresh basil, and blending everything together. It's a simple process, but the resulting sauce is a symphony of flavors that can enhance any vegetarian dish. Remember, the secret to a great sauce lies not just in the ingredients used, but also in the care and patience with which it's prepared. So take time, enjoy the process, and soon you'll be serving up dishes with the perfect vegetarian sauce that will have everyone asking for seconds.